Okay, so new year, new bicycle. It's crazy to think that I've run this bike company for 4.5 years and only just now getting myself my own bike. Yes, I did have 60 bikes I can pick and choose from, but never my bicycle, my one, you know? So this is my brand spanking new, came out of the box yesterday, Trek Full Stash 8, and I think it is the most beautiful bicycle I have ever seen. 29 plus wheels, 100, I think it's 130 travel in the front, 110 in the back if I'm mistaken. Absolutely perfect for my riding style. I just like to go fast, have fun, and that's what that bike's for. So what I'm going to do here today in this video is take you through kind of all the little things that I'm going to do to get my bike ready for its first maiden voyage. Small little things like removing that ugly dork disc, all the ugly little stickers that shouldn't be on you, tidy up the cockpit, maybe even tune the gears so that they're absolutely perfect, pump up the suspension, get that ready for my fat ass, and yeah, put on the Shimano pedals. I ride with these little Shimano clip-ins. I'm going to give these a quick little service and then I'll pop them on the bike. The only thing that I'm not going to do today is I'm not going to set up everything for tubeless. It comes in the box with a chup, but also in the box they send you the perfect valves for your rims. So I will be doing that. I just don't have any goop, so we'll save that for another day. But let's get into it. So first things first is this ugly ass dork disc is coming out. To do that I gotta whip out the wheel. So if you don't have one of these little tools, you can just cut this thing off with a pair of scissors. I'm gonna take the whole cassette off. Number one, because I want to just make sure that the cassette's put on properly in the right kind of torque setting, and then secondly I want to use this on another bike. I have had it before, mainly with the Shimano stuff or with the NX version. So this is the GX, so anything less than the GX is multiple little pieces with spaces in between. They can be done up, not done up enough. This one, like I said, this one is the GX, so GX, XO and all of that, they're one piece. Oh, I need the little gear park tool. Whoop. Essentially I've loosened it, taken that off, don't need it anymore. I can put you back. There should be only one way that it goes. Next to the pedals, it does feel a bit weird putting my Shimano gears on all of that SRAM stuff, but I've just given them a spray with some degreaser. I'm getting in here with a toothbrush, just giving everything a nice clean. These do take an absolute hammering. Yeah, it's probably time for some new ones, but a little bit longer won't hurt. And then I'm going to give it a little WD-40 in the springs. Ooh, feeling good. Okay, they also come with these little spaces. They go on there, and it goes on the back. Okay, so obviously make sure the little right, you know how to put on a pedal. little spacer with the right pedal. You want to put a little bit of grease on the thread, just so it never doesn't seize in there. Always with this, only go hand tight. Don't do any, well, when you're starting off, you want to be able to turn the whole thing all the way in, just like that, and then get out your bad boy. Woo. Same on the other side. Okay, so whenever I get a bike out of the box, the gears are never quite perfect, so I just start fresh, undo the cable, do a full kind of setup of it. I'm not going to show you that here. I'll link a really cool video by Park Tool on how to do this, but I do it every time. Start right from zero, set it all up, then I know that it's absolutely spot on. The next little job, I like to put my own grease on the, well, not grease, Teflon dry lube on the chain. So what I'll do is I'll kind of take this horrible factory chain grease that they put on here. It is there to protect the chain, but I like to just take it off. Also gives me a chance to feel all the links in my chain. And then what I do, put my own lube on the chain. Where's my lube? Alright, so next, gonna be on the bike for this one. I need a, you can see, quite like my stuff rolled, the bars rolled forward a bit. My gear levers need to be even. See, it's quite loose, so sort it out. I might put a cable tie or two on here. Okay, so next step is setting my suspension up. These are both air shocks. So what I'll first do is I'll set the sag, put a bit of air in, and then play around with the dampening to get it just right. I'm not a super expert on this, but I do kind of know what I'm doing. I'll link to probably the best video I've seen on this topic down below by my hollow my dude. It's just so dope. Alright, so set sag, get it nice and comfortable, set it up for where I want to go, and then we're away. How did I do that? Stupid pump. 105 for my fat ass. The final job is getting rid of these little ridiculous stickers everywhere. There's so many of them. Also, when you take the sticker off, there'll be a little bit of residue from there. Just get rid of it with a little bit of, oh shit, a little bit of greaser. Beautiful. So once you've done all that, you can go for a bike ride. Hee hee! Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. It was just a fun little video, more of a excuse to go for a bike ride more than anything. But yeah, more videos to come, so you know what to do. And I'll see you next time.